this is Artem from LearnFormula. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a continuing education course using our new AI course assistant. Firstly, you would have to proceed to your instructor dashboard by clicking on your profile picture on the top right hand corner, or to immediately proceed to the course creation page by clicking the create button to the left of it. At this stage, you will be able to see a list of potential markets where you would be able to contribute courses to, as well as a list of proposed topics available for you to create courses in. If you have your own topic in mind, you can insert it here. After selecting the topic, click Create Course. On this stage, you will have to provide a PDF file that is relevant to the course you're looking to create. This PDF file could be a comprehensive article, a research paper, or some writing that you have authored or contributed to that would contain all the information necessary to create this course. To create a whole-encompassing continuing education course using a single PDF, we would recommend at least 10 pages of text. You can either drag and drop the PDF into the section right here, or click on it and select the PDF on your computer. After uploading a single or multiple PDFs, you can click the next button on your bottom right hand corner. Click Confirm to proceed from this step, making sure that you have uploaded all the appropriate PDFs. At this stage, you would be able to either organize the course yourself, selecting the appropriate number of sections, numbers of videos under each section, and numbers of slides under each video. If you prefer to leave it up to the AI to determine, click Organize by AI. After making your selection, click Generate Outline. After the outline is generated, make sure that all the points are appropriately listed below. You can edit each of the section names as well as each of the individual modules right here by clicking the pen icon. Click the pen icon again to confirm your change. If you wish to add any new sections manually, you can do so by clicking Add New Section below. After finalizing all of the sections, you can click the next button on your bottom right hand corner to proceed to the next step. Click OK to confirm your selection. After the slides are generated, you will be able to review each slide below. We recommend adding your instructor name on the bottom section right here, and changing the title appropriately if needed. All the images would be AI generated, and unfortunately sometimes those images come out not looking best. In this case, you can click on the Media button right here and type in an instruction to generate a new image using AI. If you prefer to find an image that was taken, you can use our Unsplash catalog of stock images by searching up keywords. You can also change the theme of the slide by making the selection here, or redesign the slide altogether by going to a different template. If you're satisfied with the slide's appearance, you can proceed to the next one. On these slides, you will be able to edit everything, from the title of the slide to the key points. If there are any additional points that you wish to add, just click Enter on your keyboard and a new point is going to appear. Make sure that all of the points you add fit on the slide to make sure that the student will be able to see all of the points you have added thus far. After confirming that you are satisfied with all of the points added, feel free to proceed to the next slide. If you are satisfied with all of the slides provided in front of you, you can scroll up and select the next module. At this stage, you will be able to repeat the steps prior by reviewing the videos, the key points, and the titles of each slide. You can review each module individually or just some of them, depending on your preference. However, we recommend to review all of the modules to make sure that the AI is correctly interpreting the raw information you provided in the first step. After finalizing the review of all of the modules, you can proceed to the next section. After confirming all of the modules and all of the sections, you will be able to confirm your selection and proceed to the next step by clicking the next button on your bottom right hand corner. Here you would be able to confirm your selection. At this stage, you would be able to provide either a self-written transcript or ask for an AI-generated one instead. An AI-generated transcript would be created using the original PDF provided in the beginning or PDFs provided in the beginning. If you prefer to narrate the course yourself, you can make a selection for personal narration with your own voice, allowing you to maintain brand consistency, which is ideal for personalized content and allows full creative expression. Otherwise, you can convert the text to natural sounding speech by making the selection on the left. If you proceed with an AI text-to-speech selection, you'll be able to choose one out of the 6 provided voice options below. If you are satisfied with the voice, just click on it and click Next. After your transcript and audio are generated, you will be able to review each transcript for each individual video and module. You can edit the transcript here by typing additional comments or removing any of the parts of the transcript, regenerate the script, or regenerate the audio if the audio was compromised. You can also review each slide, confirming your selection. After you're satisfied with your course, you can click Complete on the bottom right-hand corner. At this stage, you will be able to generate, using artificial intelligence, a quiz for the course if needed. If unnecessary, you can just click Skip below.